the plan come together, Levy?
There's a master plan. Don't get dead, don't ride too fast on corners, and hang on, just tough it out. I think the toughest man's going to do well. Not the fastest, or the most skilled, or the fittest, but the toughest.
Isn't that your brother?
Yeah, I'll be at the back there.
So I think Pete's still fractionally nervous about his back brake.
First day, Levy, how do you feel?
Good. It's all good. It's pretty mean up there, but I think we can handle it. Another day in the office, mate. It's all good.
Yep.
Okay, 2 runs, 40 minutes. That's what a new tyre looks like. That's what this looks like now. So, yeah, not just abusive to people, it's abusive to bike. Slowly,
Twice and you're nearly in your terrain.
You nearly have me.
There we go.
Hey! Right now, eh? Away the John Doll!
Never see any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming through. Extreme worlds alone. Did you ever like it then? I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this. Oh baby, oh baby, then it fell apart. It fell apart. And close my world and never open up to anything that could get me at all. I had to close down everything. I had to close down my mind. Too many things have caught me. Too much could make me blind. I've seen so much in so many places, so many heartaches, so many faces, so many dirty things you couldn't even believe. I would
Day one, week one.
For this.
Hey,
Sammy boy?
It's always good in life for this. Oh baby, oh baby, then it fell apart. Fell apart. Oh baby, then it fell apart. It fell apart. Oh baby, oh baby, then it fell apart. It fell apart.
Sammy? Good. Have a look where you're at. Alley!
There's aspirin, adrenaline, and also aminophylline, amphetamine, adenosine, augmentin, and rifampicin, amoxicillin, penicillin, heparin, and warfarin, and estrogen, progestogen, and canesten, and chloroquine. There's bendraflumethiazide, and also cyclophosphamide, and metoclopramide, acetazolamide, tropicamide, loperamide, amiloride, and cyclazine, and fusamide. And if you're up the duff, then you had best avoid thalidomide. There's lithium, fluoxetine, and also amitriptyline, paroxetine, digoxin, GTN, and azathioprine, meconazole, atenolol, and also chloramphenicol. And if you want to overdose, there's always paracetamol. There's nitros and esphenato, Zyrtec and diazepam, and lithium, temazepam, midazolam, clonazepam, testosterone, aldosterone, and Valium, and insulin, and lignocaine, and Piriton, and Ventolin, and Ritalin. There's kefuroxim, kefataxin, kefalex,